Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so let's begin. First let's go into our WhatsApp. I just downloaded it like 2 minutes ago, just to show you the whole process. Basically, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, also on our channel we have a video how to create a one, so if you want you can find it. Okay, so now let's get into our WhatsApp. In here we need to select the language we want to use, and now let's click on that green arrow. Click on agree and continue. In here you can click on allow, and now basically you need to type your phone number right in here, so that's what I'm gonna do now, so just give me a second. Okay, now we can proceed forward. Now allow WhatsApp to access your contacts. Of course we want to click on allow. Also allow in here now the photos and the videos. We can also click on allow all, and now as you can see we have this window, restore your chats. As you can see, I made up my backup 11 minutes ago. You also got the size and the account on which backup was made. Please remember that you need to be logged into the same Google account on which the backup was made, so only then you will be able to restore the data. Also in here you can see this message, restore your messages and media from Google storage. If you don't restore now, you won't be able to restore later, so you need to have that in mind. Also we have the size of it right in here. To reduce data usage, connect your phone to Wi-Fi. And now simply let's click on restore and wait until this process is finished. Okay, as you can see, 10 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. So now let's click on next. In the profile info you can type your name in here and also add a photo. I'm gonna just leave this name, so now let's click on the next. And now as you can see, all the messages have been successfully restored, also including the videos. So that's the whole process. It's really simple. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.